Adding your PC Optimum Card to Apple Wallet is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To add your PC Optimum Card to Apple Wallet, you have to follow me till the end of video. So first of all, you need to install the app named Optimum, for which you need to open up the App Store. Then search in the App Store for Pass to You Wallet. After that, tap on the app and install it from here. And if you already installed the app, tap to open it up. Once you get into its app, swipe right and tap to start the app. Then you can search for Store Passes here. So tap on the search bar and search here for Optimum Pass. Now, you will find so many Optimum Passes, but you need to select the PC Optimum Pass from here. After selecting the pass, you need to choose your category. Then you have to scan the barcode content of the wallet you need to add it on. Or you can enter the barcode content code. Once you scan the code, enter other information and tap on it. When you get back from this page, you will find the cardholder barcode which you can scan in your Apple Wallet to add PC Optimum.